Hi friends, welcome to Mahan Facts. Today in this video, we will learn some skills which make you more productive and moreover help you in your future. Without any late, let's jump into the video. Skill number 1, public speaking. Everyone fear when they hear public speaking because everyone feels frightened to talk on the stage, but it's the most important skills in which you can grab the audience attention. If you master it, you will become famous and popular in your niche. Before speaking, you need to choose your niche. There are many niche like motivation, business coach, fitness coach, etc. Choose the niche in which you are interested. Then target to that specific audience in which your niche belongs to. Then your skills will grow more and gradually you will become a successful public speaker. Skill number 2, programming. Today even children are learning programming through various platforms like White Hat Junior, etc. But I will recommend to go to offline centers where programming is taught. If you learn online, it will become difficult for you to understand the concepts, so choose offline mode to learn programming. If you want to learn programming, you should follow these 5 steps. Step number 1, choose the right languages. Step 2, choose the right resources that help you learn. Step number 3, download a code editor. Step number 4, practice writing your programs. Step number 5, join an online community which helps in coding. Skill number 3, typing. Typing is one of the crucial skill for almost to everyone. In this generation, almost all have PCs and laptops at home, so they need to learn typing skills. At least one should learn 10-finger typing. You can learn typing easily at home, just follow these steps. Step 1, purchase a keyboard at Amazon. Step 2, purchase a book of Typing Master in a stationery or download a PDF from internet. Step 3, spare 2 hours time for practicing typing each day. Step 4, at first you will feel hard and you will think that I can't learn typing anymore. But wait, open the book, follow the rules and do exercises which are given in the book at least 5 to 10 times. Step 5, be patient. After 3 months of practicing, you will see that your typing skills are gradually increasing. Skill number 3, podcasting. Most of the people like to hear podcasts than watching videos, so you can start podcast and provide valuable information to them. If you have good content which attracts audience, then you should go for it. You can start with free with Anchor app available in Play Store. The best feature of Anchor is it shares your podcast to different platforms like Apple Podcast, Google Podcast, Spotify, etc. After growing there, you can invest some money in Buzzsprout and grow your podcast even more. Skill number 4, photography. Without photography, there would be no film industry. So photography and videography will be the highest growing industry in the future decades. So by learning it, you can also earn money through photography and videography. If you are interested in photography, then you should go for it. You can upload your photos on Pixels where you can share with everyone, or you can create an Insta page and you can upload photos clicked by you. If your photos are good, you will see the growth of the page. Skill number 5, master Photoshop and editing skills. Nowadays everyone is entering into social media life and it's necessary to learn editing skills. Then you can upload your videos in YouTube. Nowadays video content is growing very fast. People want to consume more video content, so editing is must and should be learned by you. Today or tomorrow you will be benefited by it. You can simply start practicing editing skills through Filmora. It's a free software for desktop. After improving, you can go into advanced level that is Premiere Pro, where you will be fully learning editing skills. Whether it's typing, podcasting, or photography, it all depends on you. Select the skill in which your interest lies, but don't blindly choose the skill because after 1 or 2 days you will be leaving it. So, you should select wisely and improve it. Learn as many as possible. Who knows which skill helps you in which time? That's it, friends, for this video. We will meet you in another video.